Let me tell you Vijay Shekhar Sharma's amazing story. Vijay, a small-town boy from Aligarh, dreamed big. He wanted to change India's payment system. Yahoo greatly inspired him, leading him to aspire to study at Stanford University, where it was founded. However, due to financial constraints and his proficiency in English, he was unable to gain admission. While most college students dreamed of securing placements, Vijay and his friends took a different path. They established a CMA's content management company called Axis Communications. Their CMAs was adopted by prominent publications such as the Indian Express. In his quest to secure funding for his company, he borrowed 8 lakhs rupees from the bank at an interest rate of 24%. However, this decision plunged him into a vicious cycle of debt that became increasingly unmanageable. Consequently, he resorted to taking odd jobs in order to repay his debts. His success was made possible due to his hard work, patience, and determination to succeed. Things became complicated when he launched 197, Paytm's parent company, but later on, matters began to settle. When it came to Paytm, he didn't seek external funding. Instead, he single-handedly raised $2 million. He rebooted, starting Paytm in 2010 with a small team of 5 to 6 people. Initial investment, ₹2 crore. Focus on mobile recharge and bill payments. Vision, digital payments for India's 1.3 billion people. Paytm's early struggles was to convincing merchants to adopt digital payments, competing with established players, scaling up operations. A company's success is derived from providing internet wallets and round-the-clock customer care services. These elements foster trust among customers. The concept behind Paytm relied on gaining the trust of its customers, and Vijay achieved this through exceptional customer support. Some breakthrough are: in 2014, Paytm launched mobile wallet services. In 2015, partnered with Alibaba Group. In 2016, introduced UPI payments. Paytm grew exponentially, 500 million plus registered users. 10,000 crore plus transactions monthly. 20 million plus merchants. 5,000 रुपए crore plus annual revenue, FY 2022. Vijay expanded Paytm's services to e-commerce, Paytm Mall, 2017. Financial services, Paytm Payments Bank, 2017, insurance, lending. Investments, Paytm Money, 2019. Gaming, Paytm Games. Now what's the moral? Don't give up. Learn from failures and keep trying. Vijay's story inspires us. Believe in yourself. Work hard. Never give up. Would you like more inspiring stories? Comment it down.